In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Trello. This process is fairly simple and should only take you about 5 minutes or so. So let's dive right in and get your Trello board working seamlessly with your GitHub repository. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. To do this, head over to the Trello login page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in using Google, which is a quick and secure method. Simply click on Google and select your account from the list. If you aren't already logged into Google, you'll be prompted to do so. This integration makes it incredibly convenient as you don't have to remember an additional password for Trello. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Trello board that you want to connect with GitHub. You can easily do this by clicking on the board's link or by accessing it directly from your dashboard. Take a moment to ensure this is the board where you wish to implement changes and connect your repositories. Now that you're on your board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find an option labeled Power Ups. Click on it to reveal a menu. These power ups are effectively Trello's way of enhancing your board with additional features and integrations. In the power ups menu, you'll want to click on Add Power Ups. This is where you'll find a whole suite of integrations that can expand Trello's functionality. In the search bar that appears, type in GitHub. This will pull up the GitHub Power Up, which is what we need for the integration. Once GitHub appears in the list, click Add to install this power up onto your Trello board. After it has been added, you may see an option to configure or set up the power up. Look for a settings option. Click on this to move forward with the configuration process. The next step is crucial. Click on Authorize Account. This action will open a window prompting you to grant permissions to connect Trello to your GitHub account. You'll need to consent to this step to bridge the two platforms and start sharing information between them. Finally, link your GitHub account to Trello by entering your GitHub credentials if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Once linked, you're ready to efficiently manage your projects, using Trello to track progress directly from your GitHub repository changes. And that's it! You now have GitHub successfully connected to your Trello board. This connection allows you to track pull requests, commits, issues, and more right from your Trello cards. Enjoy the streamlined workflow and enhanced productivity that come with this powerful integration. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!